What is up, guys? We're back. This is for the MV Agusta Superveloce. I dropped it off to grab an exhaust. I'm here at Motor Forza next to my house and picking up the bike. Hopefully everything sounds good with that OEM Aero exhaust, the Race exhaust. So ladies and gentlemen, we got this one back, and let's see, finally the exhaust is on here. It took a couple weeks because we had some issues with the ECU that they sent us, which was the incorrect one for this unit, and when they had to track it down, and the programmers from Austria had to do their thing. So here's the Superveloce's Aero exhaust. Pretty cool. Is it worth the money? I'm not sure, but yeah. C'est la vie. Start it up. See that? Yeah, let's take her home and play with her at home. Let's do it. Whoa, she sounds beautiful. When you get on it, higher to the revs. Yeah, for some reason this bike feels a lot better. And I just came from the Panigale riding about an hour and a half from the dealership, picking it up. But this one feels a lot better on my wrist. But they're both beautiful bikes, so I'm going to enjoy both of them. Shit, I don't think it's on the quick shift. So we are back, and this is it.